careful! What the shit? You blew yourself up. What was it even detonated?
What did I just watch?
Horror movie, oh god, oh Jesus. Get me the fuck out of here, goodbye.
I am.
Into a fucking dodo from Ark. What the fuck was that?
I don't know.
Another great video clip.
What the fuck? Why'd your car flip like that? I'm now What?
I'm gonna call in a better car than what I have here today.
Excuse me?
Yes.
I just saw... an E-Cola box truck fall off the bridge and now it's just driving away like nothing happened.
Yeah, typical.
Also, if you call them, they'll look up and you can headshot them or something. Which is a cool feature, but you never see anyone use that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm okay. Really? I was trying to hit him directly with it, but I'm pretty sure I just hit him.
Oh, fuck me, boys.
Did you go off a cliff?
No.
I'm pretty sure you did. No. Actually, give me your horse first. I'm gonna just fall off their horse.
Your honor will be updated?
Yo, let's see if I can do a backflip to evade the train.
Did we fail? Okay.
Hey, I'm watching a...
Or did my guy just casually walk up here? Jesus Christ!
I mean, yeah, if you want to kill it first,
I don't like how my arm is so long here. Someone is... You good?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get toasty. I body checked your guy.
Alright.
Alright. Imagine doing this shit in real life. It'd be fucking terrifying. We both tried it.
Wait, did you fall off too?
Yeah, I tried to jump on you.
so hop on.
What are we doing?
Bring your tank. Let's go. Let's fucking fight. 1v1 me.
I gotta save that.
I killed myself.
Okay, I'm fucking hiding, bro. You think my grenades will do anything to them? How the fuck can that tank see me, bro? My head's barely even sticking out.
BTF.
Your fucking body just fucking did like 60 backflips in front of me. No. Alright, boys, you see me down here with all of them?
I do.
Squad wipe, boys! Oh my god. I'm literally... I was on top of this guy fucking smacking his ass with my fucking machete and it didn't work. I died. Excuse me. Sorry, are we ready? Yes.
Your head looks switching work. That almost hit me, bro.
Alright, we ready?
That's just my landlord. He doesn't like me very much.
Alright.
Alright. Oh my god! No, we gotta start the vlog anyway.
Oh god, I gotta get the fuck out of here. Oh my lord. People everywhere.
Don't break character.